When we first engaged with you, I'll be honest, I don't think agentic in that thought process was really the one that was leading, us ultimately down that journey. So I think in a lot of our discussions with these things, we have very much settled into, and as you've, heard from my previous stuff, agentic is going to be very much how we build the future, of this business, right? There's a lot of tangible benefits from that when you look at cost base, when you look at scalability. But if you strip all of that away, agentic gives more capabilities to this business than what we have today, right? Period. Full stop there. The interesting thing is we didn't start off this journey with that in mind, where I think a lot of people now are a little bit more around, okay, we got to get our foundation right. What I think was really interesting in sort of the aha moment is that once that did happen, we didn't necessarily have to go rebuild the pipeline in order to sort of facilitate this next world there, right? And that's what I'm kind of speak about really around the flexibility, right? Because agentic AI might be the hot topic that is going to be the near future, but something else may come out of that, as well, right? But whatever that looks like, it is only going to be as well as the data and your client's data that you're ultimately able to do, right?